Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, lymphatic drainage of the eyeball. So, lymphatic drainage of the eyeball, this is of two types. Actually, if this is the eye, we have lateral half is drained into the preauricular lymph nodes. So, if this is the nose, this is drained into the preauricular lymph nodes, that is lateral half, whereas from the medial half, it is drained into the submandibular lymph nodes. Medial half is drained into the submandibular lymph nodes. So, lateral half of the eyeball is drained into preauricular lymph nodes, whereas medial half of the half is drained into the submandibular lymph nodes.
thank you and thank you for watching.